Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shabiram. In this video, I describe about temperature. Later videos, I discuss pressure, level, flow. Please subscribe my channel Plant Instrumentation. My all video watch, like and share. Let's we start the video on temperature measurement. Introduction. Temperature is one of the most frequently measured quantities in a process plant. In effect, in almost every sector, temperature is one of the key parameters to be measured. Accurate measurement of temperature is vital to guarantee product quality and efficiency in manufacturing, processing of materials, monitoring, and health and safety. Aims and learning objectives: to provide the trainee with the skill and knowledge to be able to use and understand various types of temperature measuring devices to an agreed standard. On completion of the training course, the trainee will be able to explain the principle of various types of temperature measuring devices, determine temperature with the use of various types of temperature measuring instruments. First, introduction, objectives. Introduction to temperature. What is temperature? Heat and temperature. Temperature scales. Contact type. Bimetallic. Field system. Thermocouples. RTDs. Thermistors. Non-contact type. Optical pyrometers. Infrared. What is temperature? What is temperature? Temperature can be defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or environment. In this, it is the measurement of thermal energy associated with the movement kinetic energy of the molecules of a substance. When molecules are in motion, in case heat as energy is added to substance in the form of light or as infrared radiation heat energy, the molecules absorb the energy which increase molecular motion. This increase in molecular motion is measured as an increase in temperature. Heat and temperature. Heat is not the same as temperature. Heat is a measure of the total internal energy of all the molecules added together. More molecules mean more heat. Temperature is the average kinetic energy of a molecule. The temperature does not depend on how many molecules there are, just how fast they are moving. Heat, total internal energy added together. Temperature, average kinetic energy of a molecule. Molecules moving randomly at a variety of velocities. Why temperature scale? Why temperature scale? In our everyday lives, we are aware of different temperature through the sensation of touch, but how hot or cold something feels is subjective. We can say that the kettle is hotter than the ice cream, but by how much. Here comes the application of temperature scale. Measurement of temperature started with the establishment of a temperature scale. This scale transformed the measurement of temperature into meaningful numbers like 10, this is thermometer, 10 Celsius degree, 30, 50. We can measure on it. Temperature scale. In order to measure temperature, we need a scale to measure it with. The two common temperature scales in use today are Celsius, centigrade, absolute scale, Kelvin K, Fahrenheit, absolute scale, Rankine R. The Celsius, C, centigrade and Fahrenheit F scales are based on the freezing point and boiling point of water. This is thermometer you see in your life. When you feel temperature, you can see Celsius -40, -20, 0, 20, 40, 60 Celsius degree, 80, 100. And other side unit Fahrenheit, -40 in Fahrenheit and -40 Celsius is equal 0, -32, 32 freezing point of water, 0 in Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit freezing point of water, 50, 100, 150, 200, 212 and 100 boiling point of water. Freezing boiling points. The freezing point of a substance is the temperature at which it changes its physical state from a liquid to a solid. The boiling point is the temperature at which substance change from a liquid state to a gaseous state. The freezing, this is liquid to solid and liquid state to gaseous state. Freezing boiling points. In the Celsius temperature scale, the freezing point of water is 0, the boiling point 100. This is the most commonly used temperature scale, using easily grasped numbers that correspond to commonly seen events. The freezing and boiling of water, absolute 0, the temperature where all molecular motion stops, is -273.15 Celsius. 273.15 Celsius. In the Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 32 degrees and boils at 212 degrees. Absolute 0 is -459.67 Fahrenheit. Understand? Kelvin Rankine scales. The Kelvin K and Rankine R scales are typically used in engineering calculations only. They are based on a temperature called absolute 0. Absolute 0 is a theoretical temperature where there is no thermal energy or molecular activity. Using absolute 0 as a reference point, temperature values are assigned to the points at which various physical phenomena occur, such as the freezing and boiling points of water. Conversion of scales. All temperature scales are related to each other. To convert from one temperature scale to another, use the equation below. In order to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, the following equation is used. To convert a Fahrenheit reading to its equivalent Celsius reading, the following equation is used. You can see it. This one Fahrenheit, this one Fahrenheit reading its equivalent. Fahrenheit Kelvin reading, this Fahrenheit, Rankine, Celsius, centigrade, Celsius. Comparison of temperature scales. Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin. Boiling points of water in 212 Fahrenheit, Celsius 100 degree centigrade, and Kelvin 373.15 Kelvin. 180 Fahrenheit degrees, 100 Celsius degree equal 100 Kelvins. Freezing points of water in Fahrenheit 32 Fahrenheit, in Celsius 0 Celsius 0 degree centigrade, and Kelvin 273.15 Kelvin. Minus 40 Fahrenheit, Celsius minus 40 degree centigrade, and Kelvin 233.15 Kelvin is equal. Temperature sensors. Types of temperature sensors. Temperature can be measured by a diverse array of sensors. All of them their temperature by sensing some change in physical characteristics. Temperature sensors are often divided into two types: contact and non-contact. Contact and non-contact. In contact type temperature measurement, a temperature sensor makes physical contact with the material or object whose temperature is being measured. Non-contact type temperature sensors like infrared measure temperature at a distance. Most popular contact sensors are bimetallic thermometers, field system thermometers, thermocouples, resistance temperature detectors, RTDs, thermistors. Most popular non-contact sensor is infrared type. Contact sensors. Thermocouples, special purpose sensors, resistance temperature detectors, accessory devices. Bimetallic thermometers. Bimetallic thermometers, the simple mechanical sensor that works in most old-fashioned thermostat based on the fact that two metals expand at different rates as a function of temperature. Bimetal thermometers are also used in many industries, including oil, gas, and petrochemical power plants, paper mills, food industry. The most common type consists of two strips of different metals such as steel and brass. These strips are fastened together from end to end, forming a composite bar. When the temperature rises, each metal expands a different amount, which causes the bar to bend. The greater expansion of brass compared to that of steel makes the brass curve round on the outside of the steel. This motion of the bar causes a pointer to move up or down a scale, indicating a temperature change. A thermograph includes a pen that makes a written record of temperature changes. Bimetal strips can be fabricated into coils, spirals, and discs. Spirals and discs. The primary function of a bimetal thermometer is to provide local temperature indication on process surface areas that are easily accessible for temperature reading, frequently used in on off temperature control thermostats. For safety reasons, a thermowell is recommended in any pressurized application. Use a thermowell allows the thermometer to removed from the process without spilling the contents or shutting down the process. Advantages: requires no power, long lasting, very simple, costs less, negligible maintenance. Disadvantages: less accurate, cannot easily record temperature changes, slow response. Field system thermometers. Field system thermometers. In field system thermometer, the volumetric expansion of gas and liquid is used for temperature measurement. Field thermometers contain a gas or a volatile liquid and rely on pressure measurement to provide temperature indications. There are several types of field thermometers including liquid field system, vapor system and gas field systems. Field system thermometer consists of a hollow metal sensing bulb at one end of small bore tube. The other end is connected to a bottom tube or other similar pressure indication that reacts to volume or pressure changes. The most widely used fluid is mercury, covering a wide temperature range from 38 Celsius to 356 centigrade. Although the introduction of gas into the instrument can increase the range to 600 centigrade or beyond. Other working fluids include ethyl alcohol, toluene, and technical pentane, which can be used down the minus 200 Celsius. Such thermometers are delicate and labor intensive. Someone has to read them without dropping them. These are popular in hospitals and laboratories only. Process industry use similar method of measurement but robust in design. A liquid filled system is completely filled with a liquid. This type of system operates on principle that liquid expands with an increase in temperature. When the liquid expands and it causes the pressure to increase. They cause the Bourdon tube to uncoil and move the needle on the scale. Pressure sensing component is usually Bourdon tube, sometimes a bellows or a diaphragm. Liquid normally it in use are mercury, ethyl alcohol, toluenes and technical pentane. Vapor-filled thermometers. A vapor system contains a volatile liquid and vapor. This type of system operates on the principle that pressure in a vessel containing only a liquid and its vapor increases with the temperature and is independent of volume. In a vapor system, temperature is measured at the interface between the liquids and the vapor. Gas-filled thermometers. Gas-filled systems are commonly used for industrial application. The ideal gas law and is an approximation at normally encountered temperature and pressure. According to this law, the pressure of an ideal gas confined to a constant volume is proportional to absolute temperature. In a physical gas-filled system, the gas, usually nitrogen, is not perfect, so there may be a slight change in volume. However, these differences are minor and do not prevent the use of pressure measurement to indicate temperature. Advantage: simplicity of construction. Simplicity of construction. Simplicity of construction. Stability: does not require electric power. Disadvantages: to read manually, does not guarantee data that is easily recorded on transmitted, cannot easily record temperature changes.